Hey, Creative Momentum friends, happy new moon. I'm going to pull a card to help us open to life in our creative practices and our writing practices this month. And for those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Meg Heyerts. I'm the author of Tarot for Beginners and the founder of Creative Momentum, where we help writers free their voice, nourish their practice, and finish their project. All right, let's ask the Wild Unknown Tarot. What quality of attention or action will help us connect with life in our writing practices this month? All right, got a jumping card. Okay, beautiful. This is the Three of Pentacles, and this is a card of collaboration. And it's also um, a card of zooming out in terms of the time frame that we're thinking about. This card is about a collaboration that creates a lasting work of art. And we can get caught up in, oh, I missed my deadline. This is going so slowly. But this card really encourages us to remember what it takes to create something that is lasting. Something made quickly usually is not lasting. Um, and so having patience with ourselves, but also giving ourselves the creative nourishment that we need this month, particularly in terms of collaboration. And that might be literal collaboration, going to our writing groups, etc. Or, collaboration in the ways we would normally think of it with other people, which is essential. But it's also, it might also be just going back to some of your favorite books, uh, listening to music and feeling a collaboration between the words on the page and the sounds that you're hearing, collaborating with your inspirations, your environment, taking yourself on creative dates. Um, yeah, so feel the spirit of collaboration this month, however that comes to you, and take the time, as much as is realistic, take the time to collaborate. Um, Even if it's not a long amount of time, setting the timer for 30 minutes and letting time take its pace, rather than trying to rush through or get a lot done. Slowing down enough to listen to our community members, to our collaborators, human and non-human. All right, I hope you have fun with that this month. Happy creating, everyone.